What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? It's your girl Quiana LaChé, and it has been a while, you guys. However, I'm so excited because I started a candle business, like randomly out the blue. It was just like, hey, I'm making these candles, do y'all want to buy them? And that's how it sparked. So what I want to be able to do with you guys today is kind of just like take you on like a behind the scenes of how all of this is happening, because like I'm super excited and the growth has been very quick. We started June the 7th was when I made my first sale. It was probably the day after I put out a post. I was like, hey guys, I'm making these candles, you want them? So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys like a little behind the scenes of how we make all of this magic happen, and I hope that you enjoy it. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, make sure you turn on your post notifications, because while we're doing it behind the scenes, Quiana also loves to come and give you all of the educations as well. So we want to wait for this little lovely right here to get to 185, and she is climbing, honey. She is climbing. Okay, so we are at 187. So we can go ahead and add in our coloring. And we will just give this a stir, honey. Give this a stir. So now we're just gonna pour the fragrance in, and I gotta measure it out. So alright, that's about good. I'm gonna take that. I'm just gonna add that fragrance on in there. Every last drop, honey. And then we've got to like stir this for 2 minutes. So we will do that and we will be back. Okay, so we stirred that for 2 minutes. So now we want to actually just bring this temperature back down. So we're going to want this to come to about anywhere between 140 and 120 degrees is what I found is a good pouring temperature for me. So we're just going to let this do its thing, and then we're going to go ahead and pour these candles. Now, usually during this time that I'm waiting for the wax to cool, I'll just like take Astro outside or something, let him play, roll around in the grass, all the things. You know, I have calls today. I actually have 3 calls starting at noon. So I wanted to get up this morning and like knock these candles out. At least some of them. I had an order for 30 candles within like 3 days, so I've been knocking them out. So we're making the last batch. I need 9 more candles to go today, so that's what we're gonna do. And usually I'll also just like catch up on any work, any of the work for my certifications that I'm in, anything regarding any programs I'm in, just like taking that time, utilizing my time like wisely, I guess you could say. So however, I do think Astro needs some outside time, so let's take the little baby outside. Hey Astro, you wanna go out? You wanna go out? Come on. Let's go. Let's go out. Go play, little doggy. Okay, y'all, so the wax has cooled, and then we're just gonna pour it. So what I do is I always pour on top of my scale to make sure that I'm pouring accurately. accurately. I'm getting like an accurate measurement. So we're gonna take this out and we're going to, I'm gonna actually tilt this a little bit. Turn that, okay. And actually, I don't like how these wicks are. Okay, boom. Okay, so let's pour. Okay, good. Now, I like where I like to stop the line is here. The decorations, I like that you'll be able to kind of see them through the glass, even with the lid on. That was actually my husband's idea, so shout out to my husband for that. So we're just gonna go ahead and pour for the rest of the candles, and then we'll be back. Okay, so I actually already decorated some of these candles, but I'm doing another batch. So what I always do is I lay out the crystals and the stone and the flowers that are going in there, and I've already added the glitter. So let's see what we can do with this one. And we're just going to lightly put that in there like that. Put this little lovely right down in there. Okay, I'm going to go decorate the rest of these, and then you guys see the finished product. We are done. Look at my beautiful babies. So again, we had an order for 30 candles, so this is just a small batch that I'm doing just in the morning. However, I am so excited to get these out and into the hands of all the amazing people that bought them. Okay, my beautiful people, so that is it for the behind the scenes on just like me making the candles. It might have seemed like a little easy, but by this point I've kind of perfected like the formula that I use. It took a lot of testing and you know, finding the right colors, fragrance levels and percentages, and I didn't realize how much math was gonna have to go into making candles. It really is like an art and a science, and again, I had no idea until I started making them, but I absolutely love making them. And really for me, this is like such a creative outlet, because as someone that's like a coach, there's not as much room for creativity. There's room for creativity in like marketing and like, you know, making sales pages and like all those other things, but I was like, I want to do something that's like really creative. And also at the same time, when the Queen Abundance candle was birthed, it was actually the same day that my great grandmother transcended from her body, from this 3D plane. And you know, so the candle's actually named after my great grandmother, Queen Esther Butler. So the Queen Abundance candle is not because you're a queen, which we, you know, we can play into that, but really it was for me to be able to pay homage to my great grandmother queen. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you actually want more like behind the scenes types of videos, day in the life of an entrepreneur type of videos, then just like let me know in the comments. Or if you just enjoyed seeing this process, like let me know. Let me know anything, because you know, hell, feedback feedback helps me to help you guys. So I want to give you like the kind of content that you want to see, and also providing content that's going to like help you in the long run. So if you have been wanting to start like a creative business or just do something like creative on the side, like what's stopping you? Like go for it. You know, again, this the Royal Alchemy shop has been alive for like maybe 2.5 weeks, but like again, this past week we sold 30 candles just in 1 week, and with a product that like hasn't even been on the market for a full 60 days. So if I can do it, you can do it. I'm no more special than you. So yeah, just go ahead and check the description box to go check out the Royal Alchemy shop, and to check out my other videos that are going to help you bust through your limiting beliefs and your self-sabotaging sabotaging behaviors, so that way you can go out there into the world. You can kick ass, you can sit on your throne, you can be a queen, you can attract all the abundance, you can do all the things. There are no limitations, there are no barriers, boo, not in your world. So I will see you in the next video.